So I got a chance to read some great realistic fiction. Some of you have completed your work and have posted it. And I wanted to share some of the work that your friends have done. And those of you that aren't finished, it's okay. I'd like you to have it done and posted by Monday, because on Tuesday we'll be starting a new writing lesson. But I want to show you some of the things some of your classmates have done. Okay, so let's take a look at Suhaila's. Suhaila wrote hers here. I like how she did it in paragraphs. And then it's kind of small to read, but I think that you could probably read it. I like how she started, if you look how she started hers with dialogue. Time for school. I can't see the name Tezzy because it's small. Mom shouted, say goodbye to Sophie. Sophia is my pet bunny, so I said goodbye and pet her to make her feel good. So, and then she's got transitions in here. She's like, the next day. And then she's like, during gym class. So, I like how she put hers in paragraphs. It shows me that she remembers how to write in paragraphs. There's one other thing I want you to make sure that you do, is you record yourself reading. Because I am going to post them on the blog. And I would like for you to be able to go look at other people's writing on the blog and listen to them read their story, or read the story yourself. And then you can make some appropriate comments on the work that they did, because I know you guys have worked really hard on these. I also want to show you something that I noticed Sophia did in hers. I think I left her a message, but we had a lesson on show don't tell. Sorry, I have to think. And I noticed that Sophia really tried that in her writing, because right up here she's talking about close my eyes and I saw a beautiful angel, heard a dog barking, and she felt a tear coming out of her eye. So that's wonderful. Instead of saying she was crying, she doesn't say she was crying. She said she felt a tear coming out of her eye. So that gives me, the reader, a picture of what's happening. One other thing I really like the way she did, she said, the next day I thought it was all a dream. So she ended her ending. I didn't even teach you this, but she ended her ending like thinking back, like the person's thinking, oh my gosh, this is a dream. But then she realized it wasn't a dream. So you're going to have to read her story or listen to it to know what it's all about. Some good writing taking place. So I would like for you to celebrate yourselves as writers. If you are not finished, like I said, you're going to continue working. But if you are finished, you get to have some free write time today. And I'm going to actually give you some ideas about what you can write about in case you're stuck. Because we do know that writers can write about anything. Okay? Thank you. You guys did do an awesome job. I just can't wait to read the rest of your stories.